If you've driven down Hunter Mill over the last year, you know you've been curious about how this almost 15,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor entertaining space on 2.2 acres looks like inside. So let's take a tour of this luxury construction home. As you can see, this is a sleek, modern designed home packaged in sustainable green products that is a showstopper with each step you take. Sometimes you find luxury homes that are more for entertaining than practical, but this home exhibits practical living as well as conversational elements in every room. Just look at the details, starting with the 4 foot by 4 foot Spanish floor tiles throughout the main level. This room is my favorite one in the entire house. I can imagine intimate chamber concerts being performed in this space, or even a local artist exhibit for an evening of entertainment and lively music. This expansive covered outdoor space really delivers. Even the horizontal railings are aesthetically pleasing as it allows a better visual of the private lot, the heated saltwater pool, and the deck. Check out the gas range and island in this kitchen space with imported Italian cabinetry. This is the nicest and most spacious spice kitchen I've ever seen. From the custom cabinetry, deep sink, stove, and full fridge, you'll have everything you need to make those special dishes for the next gathering. Let's take a look at the main level bedroom and the attached bath with views and private door to the pool. And speaking of bedrooms and baths, this home boasts 5 beds and 7.5 baths. Usually when you head upstairs in most homes, you'll notice that 10 to 12 foot ceilings are fairly common for newer construction. But in this home, you are looking at 12 to 15 foot ceilings in many of the rooms. And don't miss the spa-like retreat with double showering system in the oversized walk-in shower and the deep jetted standalone tub. When you head in the primary bedroom, the amount of floor-to-ceiling windows is jaw-dropping. It invites you to enjoy nature views, take in some fresh air on the balcony, and enjoy the pool view. There shouldn't be anyone complaining about washing clothes with this setup in the laundry room. Check out these stair railings. The fusion of luxury and industrial aesthetics results in a bold, edgy home design that commands attention. And let's keep showing off this home with this extraordinary basement. The basement is equipped with a theater room, workout room, and a wet bar to entertain guests while watching the big game. Take a look at the hardscaping and stone retaining wall that provides easy access to allow guests or even clients meet you for business meetings in this circular space. Classy, modern, luxury in the heart of Vienna with easy access to Dulles Tollway, Dulles Airport, and Tyson's Corner makes this place not just elegant, but practical for living in Vienna, Virginia.